Well, I already did a video on this machine, but I screwed up the other day and deleted it, and I'd already deleted it off of my phone. And I just sold this one. So, I wanted to do another video of it to kind of document this little baby before I send it off into the wild. This is Corona Special serial number GX634742 from 1929, at least according to the typewriter database. And man, great machine. When this thing came to me, it was missing part of the vibrator dial there, and had to find parts for that. Got fresh rubber from Steve Dade on the platen feed roller and the feet. The feet are awesome. I'll show them to you in a second here. In fact, show them to you right now, because check them out. They're pretty darn slick. Very nice shape to them. They fit perfectly. And they grip like bulldogs. Man, they really take hold of your typing surface, and your machine ain't going anywhere unless you want it to. Paint finish on this thing's in pretty darn good shape. It's got your typical little wear marks right there and right there from the carriage folding down, and then on the back of the carriage plate, or the escapement cover, you've got the typical rub points from the case, and that one from the little U-bar thing there. It's not the U-bar, I can't remember what the hell it's called. But she cleaned up really well. This one was completely frozen when I got it. Somebody had WD-40'd it, and it had solidified, so it wasn't working at all. And man, she works like a charm now. Do a little type test just to prove my point. It's that fresh rubber. Feeds so nice and easy, and grips really well. Steve does a great job. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Got this thing set up with a blue and green ribbon. It's a custom die from a company here in Texas that I'll be surprised if you can find it anywhere else. It's on the green setting. And doesn't that match this machine just so beautifully to have a blue and green ribbon on it? Come on, it's a wonderful thing. Ha! Pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs. I'm not nearly as used to typing that pangram as I am the quick brown fox, so it takes a little while. And talking about, my typing speed, I'm really not that great of a typist, despite the amount that I type. So a lot of the time when I'm testing the machine, if one of the problems that was on this thing was trying to get the ribbon vibrator to go up and down properly. And, one of the ways to test that at speed, if you're a bad typist, and also tests the alignment, the end shake alignment and all that crap. You can grab your 2 keys from the opposite ends of the keyboard there and go to town. And this is testing the ribbon vibrator as well as your back tension on the whole innards there. Because, a lot of people type a whole lot faster than I do, and the machine needs to be able to keep up, and if I can't test it at those speeds, then, I'd be a little sad. So anyway, there you go. Green 1929 Corona Special. Such a beauty.